I'm Tia Borden with MiningIR. We are here in London at the Resourcing Tomorrow conference at the Business Design Centre. Joining me is Tim Johnson, President CEO of Granite Creek Copper. Tim, thank you so much for joining me this morning.
Well, thank you. It's great to be here.
Can you give our viewers a little overview of the company?
Granite Creek is a junior explorer. Our project is located central Yukon Territory of Canada. It's our CarMax project. We have a 43101 compliant resource that was updated this year. We published our updated resource March of this year, and we immediately launched a preliminary economic assessment, and that's what we've been working on this year to bring the economics into view on our project.
And can you tell us a little bit about the upcoming PEA?
Absolutely. So we expect the PEA to be a major revaluation for the company. We've been working very hard on it. We think that we're going to have a very strong, robust economics applied to our resource. The PEA will be delivered to the market early in 2023, and then once we've completed that, we'll look to both expand the resource and continue the engineering towards feasibility.
And can you talk a little bit about the resource estimate that you produced this year?
So we have over 36 million tons grading 0.81% copper, and we've got good gold and silver credits. So when you add our gold and silver, we're well over 1% on a copper equivalent basis. This would support a mine somewhere between 5 and 10,000 metric tons a day for sort of a 8 to 12 year period. And I know I'm being very vague on the numbers, but we kind of have to at this stage because they haven't been published.
Tim, can you tell us the upside potential of the deposit?
Sure. So we've just scratched the surface at CarMax. We've got multiple zones that haven't been drilled yet that have been identified by geochemical analysis and by geophysics. There is some historical work on the property where some really high grade trenching and previous drilling that there's no formal resources on yet. So we believe that even though we have a pretty robust resource now, there's probably the room geologically to grow it by 2 to 3 times its current volume. So we're very bullish on the project. We think there's lots of upside potential, and we encourage investors to add us to your watch list. Symbol is GCX on the TSX Venture Exchange.
Tim, a busy year for you. Is there anything else you'd like to leave our viewers with before I let you go?
We believe copper is an excellent space to be in, and I would encourage everyone to have some exposure to copper in your portfolio, whether it's our company or other copper companies out there. Of course, we think that we have an excellent exposure, and we think we've just entered a multi-decade bull commodity cycle, and that could be very good for investors.
Very exciting. Tim, thank you so much for joining me today.
You're welcome.